All right, thanks for coming in today, man. You ready to lay something down?
Of course, man. Let's do it.
You heard the track?
Heard it. Love it. Let's get into it. I'm just going to spit something off the top, yeah?
All right, well, whatever you're feeling then, take it away.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Shit. Ha. Here we go. Check me out. Okay. Listen up. Here we go. Put your hands up.
What's
up?
Do you need a moment to...
No. Just warming up, Let's do it. Unleash me. Run it back.
Okay, all right. Let's do it.
Yo. You already know who it is. Young Worry in the house. House. In case you didn't already know. No.
We can do the echo.
Yeah, you do it. I'll do it.
We'll do it. It'll probably be us, yeah.
Okay.
This time let's try to get to the verse a little bit faster.
Oh, faster than that?
Yeah, well, you didn't get there at all this time.
Okay, I feel ya. Yo. Check me out. Here we go. I have anxiety. Put your hands up if you're paralyzed by anxiety. I want to see those fucking hands. What's up?
Are you feeling all right?
Yeah, feeling great. Why?
Just the anxiety stuff.
Oh, dude, no. Once the song starts, that's not me. Don't listen to any of it. None of that stuff's even true.
Okay.
This is all true. Yeah. Listen to what I'm saying. I said, listen up, y'all. I'm too fucking scared to rap. Crippling anxiety. I can't do this. Stop the track. I can't do this. Stop the track. Cut the music. I'm serious. Stop the music. I can't do this. Yo, why'd you stop it?
You told me.
No, dude, I'm rapping.
You're not rapping. That's the problem.
I'm about to start. You keep turning the music off.
Okay, dude, listen. You need to lay down a verse. All right, we don't have a lot of time here. I'm going to play this one more time. You lay down a verse or I'm going to have to find someone else.
All right. Damn it, man. Chill out. I got this. Yeah. I got anxiety inside of me. All these thoughts, they be running free. I spit these lines, it's hostile, but it's all the truth. It's gospel. Yeah, take me at my word that I'm shitting my pants. Been popping Prozac, I fall flat, I get back, panic attack. Yeah, I'm in the studio and they say I gotta rap. That's fact, and it's fine, but my mind's preoccupied. Cause earlier this morning, I ran over my grandma. I hit her with my car and then I buried the evidence. Yeah, I buried the evidence and I feel pretty bad. I got blood on my hands and also last summer I accidentally poisoned my nephew. Nobody suspects me, but it haunts me to this day. Vehicular manslaughter. Criminal negligence. These are indictable offenses that all really happened. Word. Thoughts?
Hey, this beat was whipped up in record time by my good friend Tim Palstra. Special thank you to him for that. And follow him if you want. He does some really cool music stuff. And also special thank you to my patrons. Here's some of them right here. Yeah, jump on the Patreon if you want. It's cool. You get some extra stuff and yeah, you get to support me. Check it out and then I'll see you next time.